Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everyone, my name is Majid Al-Khlayfi and I am here with Mr. Amin and Anwar and Raneem from the team. Next slide, please. Yes, I'm head of Cubic, and our main goal is to develop the next wave of Qatari startups and entrepreneurs. Cubic, Qatar Business Incubation Center, is one of the largest mixed business incubation centers in the MENA region. We offer a variety of services and we offer also a different line of businesses that we can support. Cubic was founded by Qatar Development Bank and NAMA 5 years ago. And the Cubic mainly is empowering local entrepreneurs to start and grow their companies by incubating them, developing them, connecting, connecting them to the markets, and by investing to them. Here is an overview on our latest numbers. We received more than 6,000 applications since we opened. We have more than 520 people, entrepreneurs, graduated from our programs. We have almost 190 companies incubated with us, and we invested more than 6 million riyals now to seed. And the companies within the Cubic generated a revenue with more than 60 million riyals. Next. So our main goals is to develop the next generation of successful entrepreneurs and business leaders to contribute towards development of the country private sector. The third goal is to transform the mindset of Qatari companies in a progressive and effective manner. So what we offer here in Cubic, we offer a variety of services and solutions. We offer training programs, a variety of training programs. We also invest in the startups, and we give them investment opportunities through us or through different investors. We do also smart funding. We offer also industrial workshop spaces. We have office spaces, and of course, we do coaching and mentorship. So we have a couple of vertical programs. We have a Cubic General. The Cubic General vertical is where we help entrepreneurs to launch their new startups from diverse sectors in Qatar. So here, any idea, any new idea that want to be supported can apply to Cubic General. We have a Digital and Beyond vertical that we are aiming to develop the digital ideas that is focusing on technology here in Doha. The third vertical is the specialized manufacturing and industrial incubator that we are supporting to support the entrepreneurs to manufacture their product within Qatar and within the Cubic here. Next. Our programs. This is our latest programs. We have the Lean Startup program. Now we are on the wave 14th. This is one of the most important programs here in the Cubic. We have the Lean Acceleration program. We are also having the Lean Manufacturing program. We did before a Lean Fashion program. We do Lean Coaching. We have also the Investor Series, Fab Lab, where we can build our prototypes. We have a series and match activity. Next. So, yes, Samin. I mean, we cannot hear you.
I hope you hear me now. Thank
Yes.
you, Majid. Thank you, Majid, for your introduction. With you, Amin Matni, Head of Programs at Cubic. So I will share with you some information on our programs. So as Majid mentioned, the Lean Startup Program is 11 weeks. It is for startups that scale, non-SME, non-small or medium enterprises. For this program, we have 11 weeks is the LSP, and we meet 2 times per week at night usually. And for example, this wave, which is wave 14, we have incubation. The demo day is on the 8th of December. And the outcome of these programs is we invest and incubate with the startup for 1 year, 1 year incubation, and we give them seed fund up to 250,000 riyals. For acceleration programs, so after they start, usually a year later, we run the Lean Acceleration Program once they have their product live and they have revenue, early traction revenue. So we put them in an acceleration program to expand on their product and to achieve something what we call product market fit. And this is a 16 weeks program. It's different frequency. Every 3 weeks we meet, not like LSP every week. And it stretches in time. And it's at night. So hopefully by May 2021, it's going to be the demo day. And basically 3 things happen there. So if a startup is already incubated with us and we accelerate them, so basically to raise investment and to get follow-up investment from us or from the ecosystem. But also in the acceleration program, we're getting startups who are already out in the market, not incubated with us. So we help them also to get accelerated, and we can incubate them also and invest in them. So this is an outcome also from the program. The third program, which is the core of our discussion today, is the Lean Manufacturing Program. It's 7 weeks, and we're starting it as of 3rd of November, and demo day is on 16th of December. This will be 3 sessions per week, every week, and the demo day is 16 December. The outcome of that is you get incubation for 2 years, and we award you with an industrial workshop. So this is a snapshot of our speaker series and the demo day and the Fab Lab and some of our trainings. And on demo day for the Lean Startup, this is what usually the startup get access to incubation. Jahiz is part of our portfolio. We have manufacturing facilities, 12 facilities in the backyard, which are. This is what you'll be looking at as an outcome from the Lean Manufacturing Program, is to get awarded a manufacturing facility. And after that, there's Jahiz, which is a bigger facility where you can have a different life cycle of 7 years of rent, where our facilities, the small ones at Cubic in the backyard, are on 2 years rent agreement. This is like a snapshot from one of the factories at Jahiz, bigger facilities, and the one at Cubic is in the backyard as much smaller than that.
So thank you, Amin. Previously, we have worked with many partners internationally and locally. Here are the like a quick overview about our partners. And next, Anwar.
Thank you, Majid. To elaborate and to dive deep on the program, and this is basically where the rubber meets the road. Module 1, as we mentioned, it's 7 weeks, the Lean Manufacturing Program. It's every week we have 1 module. Module 1 is about, first of all, stepping back, helping you to build your business model and understand how you're going to maneuver and how you're going to de-risk your business model or business case. Session 2 is about legal compliance, and we help you to develop the needed documentation and apply for a preliminary approval from the ministry. And session 3 is about coaching. Every module has coaching sessions. So the coaching sessions, you will sit with us, we review your business case, do diligently, and we share with you your roadmap for what type of legal approvals you need to work for. And the incubation team will support you in those coaching sessions. Module 2, we have a partner that's delivering the lean program in parallel to us. So they will be sharing what is a lean concept and what does it mean lean in industrial manufacturing, because lean is a concept that is applied in different sectors. And to discover what is your roadmap, how you're going to de-risk your business case through the lean approach. And you get a coaching, of course, at the third day. The third module is about prototyping and designing. We know that some of you cannot do a minimum viable product. You need the needed machinery to do it, or you might bring a sample from overseas. Nevertheless, some of you have definitely a great fit for this module. If you don't use it now, you maybe probably also use it during later phases when you start operating. The whole principle is about how can I build a minimum viable product before I build the whole manufacturing facility. And the second thing is about production, how you produce your product, how you're gonna use what type of material. You dive into the technicalities of production. And this is the whole point of this module. And of course, coaching concludes that module. The fourth week with the fourth module is customer validation. We help you to build the needed marketing material to fire up a landing page. You're mostly business to business, so we will push you to meet your customers with minimum marketing collaterals to discuss sales tactics and how to negotiate contracts with your potential vendors. We shed the light here on the importance of module 4 because all the applicants that come in love with the product, and then they move out towards building the facility. Yet module 4 is the most important module because if there's no demand, there's no point to build anything. And we push you to get some customer validation and meetings with your customers in the market to see what they think about your business model and your product and your pricing and what may have you. And then you'll bring those feedback and you twist and change your business model accordingly. This all will inspire you to build the needed factory design, and you can phase your project by creating smaller short-term milestones and then medium-term milestones. The 2 years of incubation is by itself a constraint approach where you need to look at the investment needed to build a pilot with the minimum costly machinery. And later on in 2 years, once you move to a bigger facility, you will inject definitely bigger capital, acquire more machinery, so on and so forth. So you will plan your journey from the design, the flow of it, the machinery, the storage area, so on and so forth. And of course, you will have the team with us to help you out on understanding the needed fit outs, the MEP, electrical, mechanical needs of your facility. And the fourth day, this is a big module. On the fourth day, you will get a one-on-one coaching session with the experts. Module 6, you need to understand the supply chain, end-to-end supply chain management. Understanding the sourcing, logistics, deployment and injection of material, creating output, delivering to the customer, and collecting money, and this time to cash approach and understanding the whole cycle behind it. Understanding the operation as it's crucial for you, and that has direct impact on session 3 with your financials and funding strategy, understanding your forecast and what financials you need to achieve your business objectives through different milestones and phases for your roadmap. And we will cover in the last module the pitching and storytelling, how you're gonna be packaging your story and pitching for the incubation committee. And the last module is about pitching rehearsals, and where you will be presenting at the end of it on the 15th of December, and hopefully if you get awarded 2 years incubation and awarding you an industrial facility, you'll be invited on the 16th of December for onboarding. So this is in a nutshell the program, the 7 weeks program, 7 modules. The principle is clear. You'll have content, and every week at the end of every module you will have a coaching session with the experts to help you move and reach towards incubation. We wish you best of luck. And Majid, if you wish to conclude with your remarks, thank you.
Thank you, Amin. Thank you, team. I would like to just encourage you to participate and learn from this program. This will add a lot of value to you if you are willing to start your manufacturing dream here in the Cubic or other. Wish you all the best, and thank you.